In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up products and prices in Stripe. To get started, we're going to head over to Stripe.com. Once there, you'll want to locate the Sign In button, which will be prominently displayed at the top right corner of the page. Click on it and you will be directed to the login page. Here, enter your email and password to access your Stripe account. If you haven't already set up an account, make sure to do that first, as it will give you full access to all the features we'll discuss today. Once you've logged in, you'll find yourself on the Stripe dashboard. Navigate to the Home section, where you can see an overview of your recent activities and settings. Next, to start adding your products, look for the section labelled Product Catalog. It's your go-to place for managing all product-related details in Stripe. Click on it and you'll be taken to a new page where you can view your current products if you have any, or add new ones. The journey of creating a new product begins by selecting Create Product. This action will open up a form where you can begin to input details about your product. Start with entering the product's name. Make sure it's clear and indicates exactly what the product or service is about. Following that, proceed to add a description. This is a great opportunity to provide additional context and highlight the unique features or benefits of what you're offering. Once you're done with the name and description, the next step is to upload an image. An appealing image can significantly enhance the product's visibility and appeal to your customers. Now, moving forward, it's important to select a suitable product tax code, especially if you have different tax rules that apply to various product categories. Choose one that best fits the nature of your product. Following the tax code, you will be asked to choose between a recurring or a one-off payment plan for your product. This decision depends on whether you're offering your product as a subscription or a one-time purchase. After making this choice, it's time to add a price and select the currency. Ensure the price reflects the value of your product and meets market standards. Finally, after filling in all these details, take a moment to review everything for accuracy. Once you're satisfied, click on Add Product to complete this process. And just like that, you've successfully set up your product and pricing in Stripe, ready to be sold to your customers. This process is straightforward once you get the hang of it, and having your product listed accurately will set a strong foundation for handling transactions smoothly. Thank you for tuning in today, and happy selling.